another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to change your direction for the you know the buy here in AliExpress. How you can change your direction for they send you the product. So if you need to change your direction or you put a wrong direction when you buy something, you can do two things. The first thing is go to the option of your profile. You can go to the option of central message. This is center of message, the message center. You click here, and you can talk with the person you buy the product, and you can talk to him and explain. You put a wrong direction, and you want to change that direction, and you can send the direction to him in the send message center. You can do that, but if if you have a long time, you see you put a wrong direction, maybe that person don't answer to you like quickly. So if you don't have the response of the person you buy the product, you can go to another option. The another option is go to mis pedidos. This is my the product I buy. So you're picking mis pedidos, and after that you can here when you buy something, here you got the button where you can solicit like the AliExpress, give it to you again your money. You can solicit they give it to you the money again. And so this is the true process you can do. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content.